Hi, my friends. Happy day. Today is day 2 of the clean up our storage, our craft room areas. And the instructions, the prompt was to take a drawer, a bin, a container, take out the contents, and put it into 4 groups: keep, store, toss, or donate. So I decided, since I got my thing yesterday, I did this yesterday, I was going to work on these 3 bins. So I did. Look at, they are empty, except for this one that has one thing in it. So need to figure it out. This is really good for me. I thought I would do the groups. I did not put anything into groups because as I was cleaning these out, I was like, holy cow. I did donate some stuff. I found some stuff to donate, and I posted it on my Buy Nothing group. Have you guys heard of the Buy Nothing group? Go to buynothing.org and you put your zip code in, and it'll tell you what Facebook group is yours. So you go search the Facebook. Might have links to it, but you go join it. And then in the group, people give items away. So instead of taking it to a donation center, especially if you only have like 1 or 2 things, post it on the group, say give, what it is, and your major crossroads. And then you'll get comments. You can pick who you want to give it to. That person goes to your house, you leave it outside in front of your door, and they pick it up. Once it's pick it up, you change the status to given, and it's gone. Somebody who actually needs it can use it. And it's like so cool, especially if you only have 1 or 2 things. And that's, in this situation, was perfect. So I took pictures of it, snapped it up, and I'll go check my Facebook group and see if somebody wants it. They'll come pick it up for me. So I did a couple weeks ago with the coffee maker I had, and just needed a little cleaning, but I wasn't using it. So I'm like, yeah, somebody needs this. We've got massage tables out of it. My sister, when she broke her arm, she actually put a request, does somebody have time to help me cut some gauze into strips? And somebody came over, cut gauze into strips for her arm for her, and it was just, it's great. So these communities are great. Buynothing.org, go check it out. So as I was cleaning my bins, I discovered I have a resin mold problem. Believe it or not, I know. I'm sure you do too. So right now, my resin mold pile, look at, it's that. And most of that came from the bins. And also in the bins, which I didn't realize I had, were these finished pieces that I was doing my clay pots with. And I have a handful of them. And I found my finished skull. This is so funny because look at, when I use the white, let me see if I get a good view of it. Look at, it's set, because you know the mold is upside down. So the white settled on the bottom and it looks like a brain. So yeah. So those are in my bins. So I've decided my bins, these are 10-inch bins. When I bought them, I didn't want big ones because I knew I'd just put all sorts of stuff in there. These might be too big for me too, because apparently I put stuff in them. But, you know, I'm kind of thinking now that they're empty, I'm going to leave them empty until I hit some other hot spots. Because, like over here, I don't know if you can see my other area I need to clean. This is not so bad, but that whole shelf are crystals. And it's hard for me to get to when I do my resin. And so maybe I want to use a bin for my crystals. I have another bin over there that I have all my glitters in. So maybe I want to do that to have a glitter. So I need to have a solid themed thing in the bin. And then I think that'll help organize, and it'll help clear up some problem areas over there. So for now, this is dealt with. I did put, do I need 2 containers of stir sticks in front of me at all times? Yes, I do. So there they are. So that's it. Day 2. I'm super excited. I got these 2 areas done, and it wasn't so stressful. Yes, I did make a big pile of resin molds on my floor, but I also realized I have a resin mold problem, so I need to find more storage solutions, and I need to go to my Buy Nothing group and hand some away. Maybe someone else in there is doing resin. So I hope this helps you. Let me know how day 2 is going for you. I'll put the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.